Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to go over a set of brand new wheels, and they are Edelweiss. Maybe I pronounced that incorrectly, but I will show you. They came straight from Germany, mounted tires, phenomenal wheels, and I'm going to tell you a whole lot about these wheels. I never heard of them. I did my homework and I think that I'm prepared to share with you my findings. So let me turn this around, and to ceramic coating these brand new wheels we go. Okay, so here's the box of the wheels. Edelweiss Light Wheels. So immediately something caught my attention in this box, and it's the TÜV certified. And I look online and they had the certification there, and then I had to look a little further, and basically what this boils down to is a Technical Inspection Association. That's the translation for this, and this is a group of folks. They are looking after the technical information, the safety information, and so on of a particular product. Out of all the wheels that I have done, I had never seen this, and I paid quite a bit of attention. So that's quite interesting. They're engineering in Germany, deep concave. I went to their website. Currently they have two models, the LT3 and the LT5. The ones that we have are the LT3s, mounted, balanced, and ready to go. So customer purchased these wheels. They send them over here to Florida. They cleared customs last night, and immediately the customer brought them to us. They're going in a very special BMW. We're going to talk more about that in another video. So anyway, let me flip this thing to the other side and show you the wheels and what we're going to be doing. So here's the wheel mounted on Michelin Pilot Sports 4S, phenomenal tires. I'm a Michelin guy. This is a very interesting thing right here. 9.5 kg. So I converted that to US numbers. So basically these wheels are 20 pounds. They're 20-inch wheels, 20 pounds. This has to be the second lightest wheels that I have ever had in my hands. The lightest wheels that I have had, there are some Finsky for a Porsche, and they were a 17.5, and those are pretty much borderline racing wheels. But these ones are at the 20 pound mark. Most of the wheels that I have done, they're on the 25 plus. So quite interesting to see that. Immediately another thing that caught my attention is the phenomenal design of the spokes. Very thin, but what's interesting about this is the center section. Look at the center section, how well done it is, and it has to be a very, very strong wheel for this center section to be so small and be the one carrying all the weight. So beautiful. They have here the engraving of the company. You can check them online. Oh, right here it says LT3. I didn't notice that, and I just pulled them out of the box. I believe they're silver something. The owner told me, I can't remember the last name. Got the center caps, and I believe there's another set of center caps in a box. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to go ahead and with my little gizmo machine and our sweat remover, I'm gonna give them a very light pass to see if I can enhance them more, if that's even possible. And then after that we will go with the Repels, and then we will go with the boosted 2.0, and we will spray them and apply a heavy coat on the back. They are so wide that we're gonna pay a lot of attention to these bottles. So we're gonna load them real heavy, and then make sure that we have the protection. So nevertheless, we're gonna set up, and down we go. So to ceramic coating the wheels we go. Okay, and inside the box they have a sample wheel cleaner with sealant and tire shine. That's them right there. A sponge, the warranty book, another set of extra caps, got the yellow ones and the silver ones, pen, couple stickers, more stickers. So a little bit of everything, quite nice. Okay, so the bottles, we are going to do a very light polish with the soil remover. We did a test spot, sent it to the customer. He was happy with the end result. And there's fully done. Beautiful finish now. Pre-polish next and we go. Okay, and one fun fact right here. You see that bottle? All that thing is crystallized. So that's an indication that this product is very, very strong, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply into the microfiber, you know, the boosted. And one tip is you should always close that neck, the neck of the bottle and the cap. So we simply just gonna glide back and forth, and as I mentioned earlier, we are going to put a very heavy coat and we're gonna lightly level it, and then the front ones we're gonna spray. We, as you saw, we polished them already, and we just enhanced them. The finish, the bottles, they just look beautiful. We're racing for time. We're down here in Florida. The weather is supposed to be very cold tomorrow, so the weather affects the curing time. In here we're gonna wait about the normal 3 to 5 minutes to see where we at, and then we're gonna remove them and we're gonna flip them, and then we're gonna spray the fronts. So we're gonna let it cure and see how we do. Okay, so there's the time, and time is one of these things that is the hardest part. I usually get sidetracked, but I like to mention here that this spokes area back here, I didn't remove the coating. Self-leveling is a heavy coat there. It's going to be hard for the customer to constantly clean back there, so this will protect a lot. Now on the bottles you can see that they look beautiful. I do have a few high spots that I'm gonna try to capture. Let's see, it's kind of hard to see, but right there is what we call a high spot, right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna simply, with a clean microfiber towel, I'm gonna remove that. That's what we call leveling right there, and that's done. And I will do a quick pass. This area here, I will leave them alone too, to protect them, and then we're gonna flip them and do the bottles. Sorry, we did the bottles. We're gonna do the faces. We're gonna flip them and do the faces. So to the front we go. All right, the fronts are ready. So the typical prep all, and I like to spray into the towel, little splash, and go one by one. Allow 30 to 60 seconds to evaporate. Come back behind with a clean microfiber towel, wipe them off, and then we're ready to spray with the little airbrush and compressor. I'm not too worried about the tires getting a little of the coating there. I did a heavy R&D putting coatings on tires. Long story short, it worked, but it's too much product and too expensive, so it won't hurt anything. I'm just gonna spray lightly the edges here, but the main focus is on the face. The backside, as you saw, is already done. It looks beautiful. And then I do the center caps left. So to spray we go. come to an end with the LT3s. They came out just beautiful. Waiting for the customer to come and pick them up. You can check their website. Very impressive with this. And here she is with the black caps. It looks nice. And with the yellow caps. And then the boosted, and we did a spray wax. The TC one did a little touch up there for extra protection. I can't wait to see them mounted on the car. Alright, and there's the wheels mounted on the M. They look beautiful. All ceramic coated with turbo wax. Look at that. Fitment is perfect. Alright, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your orders, your messages, and everything else. So we're gonna wrap this up and we're moving on to the next one. So until next time, thank you.